Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube. Today I bring you the recipe of a delicious meal that I prepared for my family, and that is couscous. Firstly, I cut the sausages into thin pieces in this way, and I added chili powder, turmeric powder and salt to it. And then I mixed it well. That was just to coat all the sausage pieces with the spices. You can keep it to marinate for an hour or two. But since I'm in a hurry, I'm going to go ahead with the making. Next, in a pan, add some oil or butter, preferably ghee or olive oil. Here I'm adding butter. When the butter is completely melted, add the sausages, saute it until it's completely cooked, and then remove it from heat and transfer it into a bowl. We still have little bit of butter left in the pan, so to that add some more oil or butter and add in the curry leaves and chopped onion. Saute it until the onion turns soft. You don't have to wait for the onions to turn brown. Just when the onions are soft, add in the chopped tomatoes and saute it until you get the tomatoes cooked. And then I remembered that I forgot to add chopped ginger and garlic to the butter. So I added it now, and keep the flame in medium and keep sauteing it until you get them really soft. Add in the green chilies and continue to cook it. Now add salt, chili powder and turmeric and add little water at a time and keep stirring while the heat is on. Continue to add little amount of water at regular intervals while stirring. Here you are just making the onion and tomatoes dissolve and form a sauce consistency. When your sauce looks something like this, stop adding water and let the extra water evaporate. This is just a simple step, although I am explaining it like a science experiment. Add in the chopped carrots and saute it for some time. Next, add 3 cups of water and let the water boil. You can add chopped beans, spring onions, cabbage or any kind of vegetables you want. I had only carrots at home. When the gravy starts to bubble up like this, add 2 cups of couscous to it. Always remember, 1 cup couscous, 1.5 cup of water. So after adding the couscous, mix the uncooked couscous with the gravy and cover. Cook it in very low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. Keep the lid closed for 15 minutes after turning off the flame. This will give a grainy texture to your couscous and will get it evenly cooked. When it is done, remove the lid and mix the couscous to check if there's any extra water. When you are sure there's no extra water, then add in the fried sausages to it and mix it with the couscous. And that is done. This is a delicious way to prepare your couscous. You can try it with any meat of your choice or just vegetarian version, but it will be definitely worth the try. Hope you all will try this method to make your couscous. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.